Now students, in this video I'm going to discuss the question answers of the chapter Input in Java. What do you understand by runtime error? Explain with an example. So it's very simple question, because they are telling you the answer. When they say runtime error, that means error which is found at the runtime when the program is being executed is known as runtime error. So I'm just reading it out for you. Errors that occur during the execution of the program, primarily due to the state of the program, which can only be resolved at runtime, are called the runtime errors. So you can just write the errors which are found when the program is being executed or program is being run. So those errors are known as runtime errors. Alright. Otherwise this definition is also okay. Now we try to understand the concept using the one example. And here you can see that import java.util.scanner statement is there, semicolon is also there, just to get the facilities or access to the scanner class, and which is a part of util. So you can write import java.util.* semicolon also. Alright, now public, then we are having this class runtime error here, then curly brace open, that means we begin the class definition, then public static void main, string args is the argument there. Then scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. So this is the object creation of the scanner class. Object name is sc, which belongs to the class scanner. So now here is the message system.println, enter a number. So on the screen it will come, enter the number, and then it will ask for the input. So how the number is entered? Using the scanner class facilities. So scanner object sc, which is here, sc.next int, I capital, remember students. So that value, which is an integer, will be stored in the integer variable. After that, students, we have here int result equal to 100 upon n. So 100 is being divided by n. We don't know which number is going to divide 100. In case there is a user enters 0, so 100 divided by 0 will be here, and then divide by 0, error will come. Program will not be executed. So that is the runtime error, which we find when the program is being executed. After that, system.out.println, so result will be printed depending upon this. If the value is not 0, suppose the user enters 25 here, right? Result will contain what? 4. But the error will occur when n is actually 0. Okay, so that will be the runtime error. This program will work fine for all non-zero values, all right, of n entered by the user. When the user enters 0, a runtime error will occur. That is an arithmetic exception, student. That's a divide by 0 error, as the program is trying to perform an illegal mathematical operation or division by 0. When we are compiling the program, we cannot say if division by 0 error will occur or not. It depends entirely. It entirely depends upon the state of the program at the runtime. All right. After that, what are the different types of errors that take place during the execution of a program? Logical error, that is this is the answer. Logical error and runtime error are the ones that occur during the execution of the program. Alright, now distinguish between testing and debugging. So in the process of testing, as its name suggests, we are testing something. So we check if the program is working as expected or not, and find out the errors if it is not giving the expected output. All right, so that is testing. In the process of debugging, what is bug? Bug means error. So debugging means removing the error. So in the process of debugging, we correct the errors that were found during the testing. All right, after that, syntax error and logical errors are there. Now we try to find out the difference. Syntax error occurs when we violate the rules of writing these statements of the programming language. Logical errors, I've already told you in the previous question that whenever we violate the grammar, because syntax is the grammar of the program. So when we violate the rules of writing the statement of the programming language, so we get syntax error, and they are found during the compile time after the program compilation. All right. Logical errors occur due to the mistake in the program logic. If the logic is wrong, so logical error is there. Program will be executed, but actually the output will not be correct. In compilation program fails to compile and execute. In logical error, program compiles and executes but does not give the desired output. That is a basic difference. After the syntax error are caught by the compiler, logical errors need to be found and corrected by people working on the on the program. So I hope you have the clear idea of all these answers. Thanks everyone.